Welcome, everyone. We explore the frontiers of science, celebrate human ingenuity, but today we descend into the shadows. We're counting down inventions born not just from brilliance, but from consequences so profound, so potentially devastating, they cast a long, chilling shadow over our species and our fragile planet. These aren't monsters from myths, they're creations of our own hands, tools that turned terrifying. From the subtly corrosive to the explosively apocalyptic, we're revealing the top 10 inventions that truly terrify humanity and threaten our world. Strap in, this journey gets dark. Number 10. Leaded gasoline. Marketed as a miracle for engines, leaded gasoline was a global poison. For decades, it spewed neurotoxic lead into the air we breathed, lowering IQs, causing behavioral problems, and contaminating soil on a planetary scale. Its legacy? Generations harmed, ecosystems damaged, a stark reminder that convenience can have catastrophic, invisible costs. The terror? How long we embraced a known poison for profit. Number 9. CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, seemingly harmless refrigerants and propellants. Yet these stable molecules drifted high into the stratosphere, unleashing a silent attack. They began destroying the ozone layer, Earth's essential shield against skin cancer-causing UV radiation. The terror? An invisible invention, used worldwide, was silently stripping away our planet's vital sunscreen, threatening all life below. A chilling lesson in unintended global consequences. Social media algorithms. At number 8. Designed to keep us hooked, these algorithms are digital dopamine dealers. They don't seek truth. They seek attention. By amplifying outrage, misinformation, and the most extreme content, they fracture societies, fuel radicalization, erode mental health, and undermine democracy. The terror? An invention rewiring human interaction on a global scale, exploiting our psychology for profit, potentially making reasoned discourse obsolete. A weaponized digital Skinner box. Number 7. Microplastics. The ultimate legacy of our plastic obsession. Not the bags or bottles, but the trillions of invisible fragments they break down into. These microplastics are everywhere, in the deepest oceans, the highest mountains, our drinking water, our food, even our blood and lungs. The terror? An invention so pervasive we can't escape it, with long-term health effects largely unknown, potentially altering biology itself. A suffocating, inescapable legacy. Number 6. Agent Orange and modern chemical weapons. Science weaponized to ravage environments and mutilate life. Agent Orange, used in war, caused horrific birth defects and ecological devastation lasting generations. Modern chemical weapons target the nervous system, causing agonizing deaths. The terror? The deliberate perversion of chemistry to inflict indiscriminate, long-lasting suffering and environmental ruin. A chilling glimpse into humanity's capacity for engineered cruelty. Nuclear weapons. Yes, at number 5. Yes, they're higher. The raw, instant power is undeniable. A single detonation unleashes firestorms, radiation poisoning, and immediate devastation. But the true existential terror lies beyond the blast. Nuclear winter. A full-scale nuclear exchange could lift enough soot into the atmosphere to block sunlight for years, causing global crop failure, mass starvation, and the collapse of civilization. The terror? An invention with the proven instantaneous power to end complex life on Earth, not just through blast, but through the engineered destruction of our climate. 4. Fossil fuel infrastructure, the global system. More than just the car or the power plant, it's the vast, interconnected global system built over centuries. It powers our world, but its exhaust, carbon dioxide, is now an existential threat. The science is unequivocal. Burning these fuels is driving climate change, rising seas, supercharged storms, devastating droughts, mass extinctions, and resource wars. The terror? Our entire modern civilization is built on an energy source that's fundamentally destabilizing the planetary systems we depend on for survival, and dismantling it feels impossibly complex. A slow-motion suicide pact powered by inertia. Number 3. Artificial general intelligence. Theoretical, but imminent. We're not talking Siri or Alexa. AGI means machines with human-level or beyond intelligence, capable of learning, reasoning, and acting autonomously. The potential benefits are vast. The potential risks? Existential. An AGI, if its goals misalign with human survival and flourishing even slightly, could outthink us, manipulate us, and deploy resources, like bioweapons or nanobots, with superhuman efficiency. We might not even understand its reasoning before it's too late. The terror? Creating an intellect superior to our own, with motivations we might not control or comprehend, potentially the last invention humanity ever makes. Number 2. Gain-of-function research on pathogens, specifically pandemic potential. Deliberately making deadly viruses more contagious or virulent in labs. The stated goal? To understand pandemics and develop countermeasures. The terrifying risk? An accidental or deliberate lab leak of a virus engineered to be far deadlier than anything nature created. Imagine a pathogen with the lethality of Ebola and the transmissibility of measles. The terror? An invention designed to maximize pandemic potential. Playing with fire in a world all too vulnerable to sparks. A self-inflicted biological sword of Damocles. The atomic bomb. This is top 1. We mentioned nuclear winter at number 5, but the bomb itself remains the ultimate symbol and the essential trigger. It represents the instantaneous power to unleash that global catastrophe. It only takes one miscalculation, one malfunction, one act of madness with a handful of these devices to initiate the cascade of firestorms, lifting soot into the stratosphere. The science of nuclear winter is robust. Temperatures plummeting globally by 10 to 20 degrees Celsius, agriculture impossible, ecosystems collapsing. It's not just cities destroyed, it's the end of complex civilization and potentially most complex life. The terror? It exists. Thousands are ready to launch right now. It's the invention that placed humanity's self-destruct button on the table permanently. The most concentrated, deliberate terror humanity has ever conceived. From the slow suffocation of microplastics to the instantaneous apocalypse of nuclear winter triggered by the bomb, this list is a sobering testament to the dual edge of human ingenuity. We build wonders, but we also forge terrors. These inventions aren't going away. The question is, can we muster the wisdom, the responsibility, and the global cooperation to manage these demons we've unleashed before they manage us. These are inventions that redefine risk. They force us to confront uncomfortable truths about progress, power, and our relationship with our planet. Now we turn it over to you. What invention on this list terrifies you the most? Is it the silent creep of microplastics, the digital fracturing of society, the specter of a lab-made pandemic, or the ever-present shadow of the mushroom cloud? Let us know your #1 fear in the comments below, and why it keeps you up at night. The conversation about managing these terrors is perhaps the most important one we can have.